Hi, my name's Sebastian, and today I'll be showing you how to get started with a standalone AD Instruments C-Series instrument interface. The C-Series instrument interface is the simplest way to record data from a wide range of instruments into your PC running LabChat. Each instrument interface contains 4 BNC inputs. For decades, the BNC connector has been the de facto standard for connecting analog instruments in the lab together. A huge number of different instruments, both old and new, both purchased from AD Instruments and from elsewhere, are all compatible. First, I'll connect the instrument interface up to my PC using the included USB-C cable. Older USB-A ports will also work if you have an older PC and a suitable cable. Once the device is powered, you should see the power LED turn blue. Next, I'll connect a BNC cable to the front of the instrument interface. The other end of this cable connects up to your instrument. The hardware is now ready to go. Drivers are automatically installed, and when I launch either LabChat 8 or LabChat Lightning, the instrument interface will be automatically detected. This is true on both Windows and on the Mac. When LabChat detects the device correctly, you will see the status LED turn green. Similar to most AD Instruments products, all the hardware settings can be found in the input amplifier dialog in the channel dropdown of LabChat 8. A number of different ranges, or hardware gains, are available for signals of different sizes. A range of filtering options are also available here. If you're a LabChat Lightning user, similar options can be found here. The instrument interface is part of the modular PowerLab C system. What I've shown you here is the simplest system you can build. With PowerLab C and other C-Series devices, this setup can scale up along with your needs.